Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove phone number from Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings again, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and in the audience and visibility section now tap on profile details. After this, scroll down again, scroll down, you can see the option contact info, and here you can now tap on mobile number, and after this you can now tap on manage contact info. Tap on the phone number here, and you can see the option delete number, and it is the way you can remove phone number from Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.